Do you want to know how you can clear your data in your Bing account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can clear your data in Bing. Go ahead and open Bing, which is on your phone. Tap on your profile, which is on the left hand side corner of your screen. Now click on Settings and go to Privacy. You can see Clear Data option on the top. Click on Clear Data and you can select either the cached images or files. You can see the time race, you can clear the search history, the cookies, everything. So go ahead and click all of these and click Clear Now. Click Clear Now again and you can see that all of your data has been cleared. This was a video on how you can clear your data on Bing. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.